Yeah, the APU cracked out on me while I was asleep. They get me a hotel room, so I'm about to head on down there. Oh my gosh. Good, this need to come on operator again. Oh, I had so many setbacks. Caused me to be a company driver right now, but I shall return on operator. At least I would have had to do it. Well, us up for the fact when I did lease at ATS, Anderson Trucking Service, the lease driver, you couldn't out of the truck if it had an ATS, even if it didn't work. That rocked the hell on 2026 gas. And the cold hill went out that night. But yeah. Little room. Get the tubs. Get go back to sleep. Before I get there. Yeah, I gotta go get something to eat first before I get there. Tour buses for rock stars use instead. As far as these minivan lovers, park that damn minivan and get a real damn van. You don't want an SUV, get a big old gas guzzler, 18 van or one of them Van Durs where it look like you can live in them. Or hell, even get the kidnapper. Fucking stop driving down minivan. And I'm black, so you know where I'm going. Sorry, don't be offended by racial jokes. Hell, I'm not. I'll be honest. Racism is actually funny. Racial jokes, anyway. It's not so much the racism that's the problem. It's the discrimination. Everybody has prejudices, stereotypes, and all of that. And I'm definitely living up to this stereotype. I love fried chicken. Although Bojangles and Church's chicken is better than KFC. But yeah. Or I hate red lights. I can't stand red lights. Yay, I'm like a little slave who master gave a piece of extra butter biscuit and some chicken too. Yay. Please don't get mad at me for these jokes about chicken. I can't help it. I love that stereotype. I love chicken. Also, can't cry about stereotypes and racism and all that if you still vote for Democrats. Those are the most racist people out there, a Democrat. Yep, eating a hotel, about to see if I can find a hole that won't tell. Nah, I'm just joking. But I can't stand all these non-smoking hotels. Even when I was a non-smoker, I never liked that. Let me relax and go on back to sleep. Y'all have fun and enjoy yourselves. Be safe. 10-4. Ghostface out.